Hello all, good evening. I'm Akshita Kulkarni. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate network slicing using simulation tool as a CiscoPacket tracer. Coming to CiscoPacket tracer, see this is how the CiscoPacket tracer looks like, and we are demonstrating network slicing in the CiscoPacket tracer. Coming to the network slicing, what does network slicing means? Network slicing simply means creation of multiple virtual networks over a single physical network. So when I say network slicing, each slice has its own and unique architecture, management and security, and this is for the purpose of supporting the security and specific use case. So I have created 9 physical devices here. All these devices are placed on 3 surfaces, that is surface 1 consists of 3 devices, surface 2 3 devices, and surface 3 devices. So all these 9 devices are connected to a common switchboard. See, this is the switchboard, and coming to this is the devices. So from here we have connected all these 9 devices. This is a switch, and this is a common switch. As I have already done this work and already run the particular demo, so we are not able to see the dots over here. Dot particularly means the symbol of connecting. So these are already connected, that's why we are able to see the green arrow mark here, which means that these all devices are connected to this switch successfully. So here we can see the port. So we need to connect. For the connection we need IP address. So I have used, so coming to this config, we can go to interface, and where here we can select the static here. See, here I have given the IP address, and subnet mask is the same for all the devices. So I have given the IP address in such a way that right from here PC 0 to PC 8, all the IP addresses are in a serial number, just to avoid the confusion and just to create a consecutive manner. I have prepared it like this, and see, here we can see the IP address 7, and the subnet mask remains again the same. Coming to the PC2, if I go to the IP address, see, it's 8. So I have given IP address to establish the connection between all these devices. So once the connection is established between all the devices with this network, let us check whether the information is connected, or information can be sent from one device to another. So let us check the information here. This is the device name and device model, port, link, its IP address, and the system where this CiscoPacket tracer is running, and its physical location. Each and every minute detail is available here. So all the devices are connected to a single switch here. So once the connection is established, let us check this. We have to check this one connection to another connection. So it says the connection is successful. As I have already run the network slicing before, the connection before, it's a history of whatever I have done before. Now I am showing the present demo. See, it's successful. Now I will check with VLAN 1, show again VLAN 1. Again we can see the connection is failed. Let us come to that point later. So this is the previous one. This is the basic step what we can do here. Once the connection is established, now the exact ask of the question is network slicing. Okay, network slicing using CiscoPacket tracer. Network slicing where it means that virtual machine has to be installed. So I have named it as VLAN 2. See here, display name as VLAN 1, and here VLAN 1, this is for PC 1. I have named it as VLAN 2. Here it's VLAN 1, VLAN 3. Just for my convenience, I have named it accordingly. So we can even rename it to the name of a respective choice. So this is where settings, yeah, here in models, so let us assume that we have to put these networks into separate virtual networks. So I have to change the label name. So it's particularly according to my convenience. So once the labeling is done for all the devices, so actual assignment is will now start. See, yeah, coming to the switch here, the switch is the one which will keep all the devices connected to each other. So coming to the switch, I will just go config tab. I will call VLAN database, in which all the information regarding the VLAN numbers is available. So here it's default 1 is, so I have already added all this number. We can you can see here, or else if we uh, click on the particular thing, yeah, wait, one thing I will show. Yeah, this I have added. See, we can see all the details here. We can even add as number of our choice. So here we can port number 1, it's already 1, so I won't change it. For port number 2, it's again 1, so I will assign it to VLAN 1 here. Okay, so you can see all the details here. Coming to the port 3, I will assign it to as, I will add it to, so again 1 only. So all these connections I have made already. I'm just showing the demo. So these are the dot. It means that connection is getting established between all the networks. So let us wait for a while for connection to establish. So let us wait for a while till the connection is getting established. So yeah, we can, I will just show the history of whatever I have done. So I have it after the creation of VLAN here. After the connection of VLAN here, means after the connection of virtual network, I tried to connect virtual machine of 2 to virtual machine of 1 to virtual machine 1. So connection was successful, and I tried of doing same again, virtual machine 2 to virtual machine 2, again the connection was successful. But when I used the system PC1 of VLAN 1 and PC7 of VLAN 2, where LAN is, they both lie on the different LANs, connection is failed. Again I checked for the PC5 of LAN 3 and PC6 of VLAN 1. Again here the connection is different, means the LAN numbers are different, surfaces are different, so again the connection is failed. So coming to here, again the connection is failed. But when the virtual network was not connected, whatever LAN it may be, whatever the system it may be, connection was very successful or communicate. But once we connect all those devices with the LAN, the connection failed or connection successed according to the surface and the port number. So yeah, this is all about network slicing. Thank you.